Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 9. In chapter 9, we shall solve two CBQ. CBQ number 3 and CBQ number 5. My dear student, CBQ number 3 will be your CW and CBQ number 5 will be your SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 27 of annual term and today's SW number will be 26. So let us start our class, chapter 9, and today's lecture number 27, SW 26. So my dear student, let us start. Question number 3. In a shop, an item of 1800 taka was sold at a discount of 20%. What do you mean by discount? Discount means suppose you have a item whose price is 100 taka. By 100 taka you bought this. Now you want to sell 20% discount. That means you sell it 80 taka. Here selling price is less than cost price. So this is called discount. Okay. So in a shop, an item of 1800 taka was sold at a discount of 20%. This is the stem. Question on convert 25% into general fraction and simplify it. It's so easy. We convert 25% into general fraction. After that we simplify it. That means we cut and finally we get answer. Question number B. How much taka was the selling price? That means, my dear student, notice, in a shop an item of 1800 taka or 1800 taka. That means this is the cost price of that item and that item was sold at 20% discount. By using these two information we find the selling price. Okay. Question number C. If it is sold in 30% profit, then what will be the selling price? That means if it is sold in 30% profit, that means if cost price is 100 taka, then selling price will be 100 plus 30, that means 130 taka. Then we find the selling price of that item whose cost price is 1800 taka. So let us start our class. First on convert 25% into general fraction and simplify it. Notice, it has two part. One part is convert 25% into general fraction. So at first we make general fraction. (25 by 100). My dear student, this is on answer. Okay. And simplification. Now the general fraction is 25 by 100. My dear student, notice, now we cut this number, that means numerator and denominator both. Notice here 25, here 100. We divide 25 by 25 and also divide 100 by 25. Notice, if we divide 25 by 25 we get on. If we divide 100 by 25 then we get 4. So we get 1 as numerator and 4 as denominator. So 1 by 4 and it is the answer. So we can find two answer of this question. So general fraction is 25 by 100 and simplification from is 1 by 4. Now right answer, 25 by 100 and 1 by 4. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is question number A. Now we shall solve question number B. Here you notice how much taka was the selling price and the stem is in a shop an item of 1800 taka. That means the item's cost price is 1800 taka and sold it at a discount of 20%. By this information, that means a discount of 20% means what? That means if the cost price is 100 taka, then the selling price will be 100 minus 2, that means 80 taka. So now write, and I erase question number A. Question number B. at 20% discount if the selling price is 100 taka. Sorry, if the cost price is 100 taka, then selling price is 100 minus 20 taka, and it will be 80 taka. My dear students, we need to find out the selling price of that item, and that item's cost price is 1800 taka. So by this information we can write, if the cost price is 100 taka, then selling price is 8 taka. If the cost price is 1 taka, then selling price is hot. If the cost price is 1800 taka, then the selling price is hot. Now write, if the cost price is 100 taka, then selling price is 80 taka. Now my dear students, if the cost price is 1 taka, then selling price is 80 divided by 100 taka, because 1 is smaller than 100. Now the cost price of that item is given, which is 1800 taka. So if the cost price is 1800 taka, then selling price is 80 multiplied by 1800 divided by 100 taka. Now my dear students, we cut and multiply, finally we get answer. Notice here 1800, here 100. We cut this number by 100. If we divide 100 by 100, we get 1. If we divide 1800 by 100, then we get 18, because if we divide 1800 by 100, at first we take 3 digit, that means 180. In 180, 100 goes in 1 times and left 8 and 0 is here, then that will be 800. In 800, 100 goes in 8 times. That means if we cut 1800 by 100, we get 18. Okay. Now notice here denominator is 1 and numerator is 80 multiplied by 18. Now we multiply these two number and we get the answer. Notice here 80, here 8. So first of all we multiply this 8 by 18. 8 jar 64 and 8 on the 8 and carrying 6, 14. So now 14 and this 0 is here. So the selling price of that item is 1440. I hope you have understood, and this is the answer. Now you write answer 1440 taka. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, in similar way we solve question number C. Notice question number C. If it is sold in 30% profit, what do you mean by profit? That means selling price is greater than cost price. Here the profit is 30%, then what will be the selling price? So by using this information and this cost price, we find the selling price of that item. To solve this, I erase question number B and start to solve question number C. Write at 30% profit if cost price 100 টাকা, then selling price will be what? Will be 100 plus 30 টাকা, that means 130 টাকা. My dear students, by using this information we find the selling price. Now we write if the cost price 100 টাকা, then selling price is 130 টাকা. Now therefore unitary method, if the cost price 1 টাকা, then selling price is as 1 is less than 100. For this reason division will be happen, that means 130 divided by 100 টাকা. Now my dear students, if the cost price of that item is 1800 টাকা, if the cost price 1800 টাকা, then selling price is 130 multiplied by 1800 divided by 100 টাকা. Now my dear students, we cut this 1800 by 100 and after multiply we get answer. Notice we divide 100 by 100 and we get 1. We divide 1800 by 100, we get 18. Okay. Now notice here 130 multiply 18 divided by 1. 1 is denominator, which is negligible, because we know that every number has a denominator which is 1. Now notice here 130 multiply by 8. Notice here I write 130 multiply by 18. 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24, carrying 2, 8 ones are 8 and 2 10, 0. 0 ones are 0, 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. So 0 4 3 2. So 2340 টাকা is the required answer. I hope you have understood. My dear student, as our solution is done, now we write answer 2340 টাকা. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear students, this is question number C and this is our today's lecture. My dear students, question number 5 will be your SW. So read the question first. A mobile phone was sold at 3450 টাকা with the profit of 15%. How much was the cost price of the mobile? My dear student, notice that mobile sold, that means the selling price of that mobile is 3450 টাকা, and by selling the profit 15%. From this 15% we write if the cost price 100 টাকা, then the selling price will be 100 plus 15. Okay, 115 টাকা. So if selling price is 115, so cost price 100. If selling price is on, then what? If selling price is 3450, then what? And by this way you find the answer of question number A. Question number B, how much money will the selling price be if the mobile is sold with the profit of 10%? That means here instead of 15% we use 10% and others are same. By this way find the answer of question number B. I hope you have understood. You must do your essay in SW, that means CBQ number 5 in your SW copy, and submit it regularly by your guardians. My dear students, you can submit your SW by your guardians within 8 AM to 4 PM in every Sunday. Okay, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.